Today we will start third chapter of the English book First Flight. The name of this chapter is Two Stories About Flying. It has two parts. So today we will read the first part, His First Flight, and it is written by Liam O. Flaherty. So first of all, in the beginning, I will tell you what is the theme of the story, this chapter. His First Flight is a story of hesitation, trial and error, and finally getting success in the end. It is an interesting story of a hesitant and timid seagull learning the art of flying. While his two brothers and sister had already learnt flying, his fear and hesitation stopped him from doing so. He diving at the fish due to hunger proved a blessing in disguise. After a shaky start, a slow start, he spread out his wings and started flying upwards and downwards. It was his first flight. The author gives a message that no one attains success instantly. Repeated trials and errors lead him to success. So now, dear students, I will tell you the summary of this story. So, in first page, in the beginning, young seagull afraid to fly, यानी समुद्री seagull means चिड़ा, means a long winged web footed seabird, बड़े पंखों वाली साधारण समुद्री चिड़िया जिसे seagull कहते हैं, afraid to fly, यह उड़ने से डरता है. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. Ledge means a flat surface of rock stretching a long way below the sea. His two brothers and his sister had already learned the art of flying only the day before. He did try. He had taken a little run forward and tried to flap his wings, but that was all he could do. He became afraid. He felt that his wings would not support him. It was his thinking. Means he was unable to gather the courage. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole where he slept at night. His brothers and his sister had wings far shorter than his own wings, but he failed to muster up courage and fly. His parents taunted, scolded, and threatened him to leave him starving at the ledge unless he flew away, but nothing could make him fly. So उसके पेरेंट्स ने भी उसको जो है छोड़ दिया, भूखा छोड़ दिया, खाना पीना देना बंद कर दिया, लेकिन कोई भी चीज़ उसे उड़ने के लिए प्रोत्साहित नहीं कर सकती. पेरेंट्स परफेक्टिंग ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर, तो माँ बाप भाइयों और बहनों को निपुण बनाते रहे. द सीगुल हेल्पलेसली वॉच्ड हिज पेरेंट्स flying with his brothers and sisters. They were perfecting them in the art of flying. They were teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. The whole family went on taunting him for his cowardice. So, सारा परिवार उसको टॉन्ट कर रहा, उसकी लैक ऑफ करेज के लिए। साथ में उसके भाई बहन जो उसी के बराबर उम्र के थे, वो अपने माँ बाप के साथ उड़ना सीख रही थी, लेकिन वह नहीं सीख पाया। क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें साहस नहीं था। Maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. भूख से पागल होकर मछली पर छलांग लगाई। So only his mother was looking at him. सिर्फ उसकी माँ ही उसका ध्यान दे रही थी, उसकी तरफ देख रही थी। She had picked a piece of fish. She was flying across to him with it. He leaned out eagerly. The mother was very near to him with the fish in her beak. Maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. तो भूख से पागल हो गया और जब माँ उसके पास से मछली को लेकर गुजरी, वो उस पर जंप कर गया। With a loud scream, चीख के साथ ही fell outward and downward into the space. A terror seized him. His heart stood still. His mother swooped past him. He answered her with another scream. He saw his two brothers and sister flying around him. तो डर ने उसे जकड़ लिया। जैसे वो नीचे गिरा, उसका दिल ठहर सा गया। उसने एक और चीख से माँ का उत्तर दिया। उसने अपने दो भाइयों और अपनी बहन को अपने आसपास उड़ने दिया। First flight. After that, the seagull completely forgot that he was not able to fly. He let himself free to dive, soar and curve at will. He was sinking shrilly. He was a green sea beneath him. His parents, his brothers and sister were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He was tired and weak with hunger. His feet sank into the green sea and his belly touched it. He sank no further. His family were praising him and their beaks were offering him scraps of fish. He had made his first flight. So the parents, yeah, you can say all the family members of the young seagull helped him to learn the flight. At last, the mother helped him and she was successful to make him fly. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. Yeah, this part.